This is 35 square meter lot owned by our subscriber, Dennis. He asked for help in designing her dream house but wasn't sure where to start. Therefore, we are here to help her. We're going to design her house using modern contemporary style. Let's get started. And this is Dennis's current layout. He has a living area, workspace, kitchen, dining area, and a separate dirty kitchen. Dennis wants to divide his living and work areas, so he'll add a partition wall. This change means he'll need to update his furniture layout. The TV will move to the new partition wall, creating a dedicated TV space. The flooring will also be updated since it doesn't quite match the modern contemporary look he's after. In this style, floors usually come in neutral colors for a clean, cohesive feel. For the workspace, Dennis plans to set up a table behind the TV wall, which could be attached to the partition. This will create a working and study area for him and his kids. In the kitchen, Dennis wants to bring the look in line with his chosen style. He's adding extra storage to reduce clutter and relocating the fridge to open up space. In the dining area, he's going for a sleek, modern look, with an accent wall to give the space a little extra highlight. He also wants to update his ceiling design to give it a more modern touch. Finally, for his dirty kitchen, Dennis wants it organized and cozy. Even though it's a secondary space, he'd like it to match the rest of his home and feel just as neat and inviting. Now that we've analyzed Dennis's needs, let's dive into our design solution. Let's start with the living area. As you can see, the living area walls are painted a light cream color, and the flooring uses 30 by 30 light green ceramic tiles, which don't quite match the style he wants. He also has a bamboo furniture set, placed parallel to a wooden coffee table, with the TV wall mounted on the east side. To address this, we'll start at the flooring. We replace them with 0.20 by 1.20 dark wood tone tiles, adding warmth and continuity to the space. To maintain visual cohesion, we extended the same dark wood tone tiles from the living area, through the working area, and into the dining and kitchen spaces, grounding the entire area with a warm, cohesive foundation. The walls were updated to an off-white color, providing a clean, modern base. And we added a mix of fluted and plain veneer wall panels to the other side for texture and depth. To create a clear boundary between the living and working areas, a partition wall was installed, which also serves as the TV wall. This feature wall includes wall-mounted shelves that allow for both display and hidden storage, keeping clutter out of sight for a clean, streamlined look. We selected a gray sectional sofa to complement the modern contemporary style, paired with a sleek, round glass coffee table and a cozy rug to add warmth and softness underfoot. For window treatments, we used ceiling-mounted tracks to hide the curtain rod, achieving a seamless look. A combination of blackout and sheer curtains was chosen, allowing control over natural light while adding elegance to the space. Moving up, we made adjustments to the ceiling design, adding space for cove lighting to create a soft, ambient glow. 4 pin lights were installed at each corner for balanced lighting, and a geometric chandelier was added as a central focal point. Finally, a few well-chosen decorative items were introduced to bring life and character to the space. Now let's take a closer look at some highlights. The new furniture layout ensures a smooth flow, with the round glass coffee table adding a sleek touch. The cozy rug beneath the sofa not only adds warmth but also grounds the seating area, creating a welcoming atmosphere. The curtains introduce a contrasting warmth that enhances the overall ambiance. The TV wall is the focal point here, featuring a marble veneer panel for a sophisticated look. The built-in shelves, finished in a neutral color, include glass doors that offer both display and concealed storage options. These shelves hold selected decorative items, adding subtle charm without overwhelming the space. Lastly, the mix of lighting enhances the modern contemporary aesthetic, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a balanced, well-lit environment that is both functional and visually appealing. Now let's move to the working area. As you can see, the workspace is compact but cluttered, consisting of a small desk, a chair, a foldable wooden table, and wall-mounted shelves, with wires and items scattered on a small desk. The layout feels cramped and lacks the clean, organized look of a modern contemporary style. Minimal lighting and an unstructured setup make the space feel less functional and inviting. To address these issues, we kept the wall color consistent with the living area, using an off-white tone to maintain a cohesive look throughout the space and enhance brightness. We designed this workspace with 3 users in mind, so Dennis's children can join him here for their studies. The setup includes a wall-mounted desk with enough room for 3 chairs, making it functional for both work and learning. We kept the layout open to ensure everyone has space without feeling cramped. We added a touch of greenery and a few decorative elements, like the modern clock on the wall, to give the space personality without overwhelming it. Task lighting is provided by a stylish desk lamp. An LED strip lighting within the shelves adds a soft, ambient glow. For the window treatment, we opted for sleek blinds to maintain a clean, modern look. The blinds allow precise control over light and privacy, which is ideal for creating a comfortable workspace for Dennis and his kids. This simple choice aligns with the modern contemporary aesthetic, keeping the space streamlined without adding extra layers. So, with these updates, Dennis's workspace is now functional and inviting, balancing productivity with a warm, modern contemporary aesthetic. Let's move on to the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen countertops are made of light green ceramic tiles, extending in an L shape along 2 walls. Below the counters, instead of standard cabinet doors, floral patterned fabric is used as a cover. 2 windows, located on the north and east sides, help with ventilation. To address this, we retained the original L-shaped layout of the kitchen, but shortened one side to create a dedicated slot for the refrigerator, enhancing both its appearance and functionality with a modern update. The countertops were upgraded to a marble look, giving the kitchen a sophisticated, high-end feel. To complement this, we added a matching marble look backsplash, which brings in texture and seamlessly ties the workspace together. For storage, we transformed the lower storage into sleek, modern cabinetry with drawers and soft close mechanisms, designed to keep essentials organized and hidden, reducing visible clutter. These cabinets were painted in a neutral tone to maintain a clean, cohesive look. Additionally, we introduced hanging cabinets above, providing extra storage space and further helping to minimize clutter on the countertops. And for his dining area, as we can see, he has a rectangular 6-seater dining table with a patterned tablecloth sits in the west part of the space, surrounded by wooden chairs. A refrigerator is placed in the southwest corner near the dining area, with a pedestal fan nearby, likely for additional cooling. To get this right, we're placing his dining set beside the wall to open up a hallway between the dining area and kitchen. Instead of the old dining set, we're creating a stylish and functional space with a sleek dining table and comfortable upholstered chairs, perfect for relaxed meals. A minimal centerpiece keeps the table polished and uncluttered, giving it a clean, modern look. We've closed off the window behind the dining setup to keep odors from the dirty kitchen out. In its place, we added a plain wall panel, slightly raised to create a refined backdrop. To add texture and visual interest, we included a geometric wall art piece that complements the modern contemporary style, creating a sophisticated focal point. This blend of furniture and decor elements makes the dining area feel inviting, while also matching the overall style of the space. We designed the ceiling in this dining area with a recessed central panel to add depth and visual interest, enhancing the modern contemporary aesthetic. Along the edges of this recessed section, we incorporated LED strip lighting, providing a soft, ambient glow that highlights the geometric wall art on the feature wall and brings warmth to the space. A minimalist pendant light is centered above the dining table, creating a focal point that subtly draws attention to the dining area without overwhelming it. This pendant light, with its clean lines, aligns perfectly with the modern look we wanted to achieve. For general lighting, we positioned pin lights around the ceiling to ensure the entire area is evenly lit. Additionally, an L-shaped track light runs along the kitchen side, providing directional lighting focused on the work areas, complementing the functionality of the space. Together, this layered lighting approach and recessed ceiling design create a balanced, inviting atmosphere. By combining ambient, task, and accent lighting, we've elevated the aesthetic appeal while making the dining and kitchen areas practical and comfortable for everyday use. Finally, the dirty kitchen. This dirty kitchen is functional but has disadvantages, including a cluttered appearance due to exposed items, limited enclosed storage, and small windows that reduce ventilation and natural light. The layout doesn't maximize vertical space, and the mix of colors and materials lacks cohesion. To address this, the first step was to install easy-to-clean flooring in a consistent wood tone, complemented by neutral tones on the walls, to achieve a clean, simple look. Functional cabinets and ample counter space provide organized storage, with shelves designed to hold laundry essentials and other utility items suited for the dirty kitchen. Minimal decor maintains a focus on utility, while bright lighting supports cooking and other tasks. This layout maximizes functionality, keeping the kitchen tidy and effective for Dennis's needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tip.